Northeast Derby was the standout fixture from the first week of the tournament that were released. All eyes firmly then. Here comes the home side. From the right it's Bilson. Bilson cuts it back across.
And that's the ball, high up, behind half. And that's something that the call it did not allow the defender. And look at the way, even though the defender charged at him, he just foxes the defender, moves about that he will come in and say, Mithinga.
And now keeps the ball moving. Northeast, Thoi. He's free in the centre. Ankit makes it 2-0. Game, set, match. In the blink of an eye, and Northeast United has certainly put the game to bed.